Ranch Taco Day! In our house, dinner can be very chaotic.
I don't like them.
With smart, simple recipes by So Yummy and Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning Mix, family dinners are a breeze. You ready to start cooking, Leah?
Ready.
Join me, Mon Ferrier.
I'm James.
This is Baldwin, and this is Leah.
We're the Ferrier family.
So in our house for dinner, we are typically scrambling to figure out what the kids will eat and what we have in the pantry. My husband does most of the cooking.
I'm a chef in learning.
I'm the mixer.
Are you the,
You're the mixer?
assistant cooker?
I'm the officer and I can cook someone's chicken and I put salt
We
there.
appreciate your help, buddy.
Got it, bud.
In our house, finding recipes that are easy for us to cook but still tasteful enough for the kids to eat is usually a nightly problem. With Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning, we're able to top any meal and make it a huge hit for the kids. All right, kids, you ready to make some tacos?
Let's do it.
Yes!
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Daddy's gonna get the chicken.
Gotta get the chicken first. Start with a few chicken breasts.
Can you help us unwrap this chicken? I'm excited because
Better
this
unwrap.
Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning always makes cooking so quick and easy. The recipe calls for 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts.
Yeah. All right, first we're gonna get the chicken onto
Gonna
the
lay
pan.
Yep, all our chicken. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Perfect.
All right, all right. That's pretty good, Leah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Baldwin, it's time for the main ingredient, the Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning. 2 teaspoons of Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning. Good. All right, can you twist that? Oh, good job, buddy.
And then we're gonna turn it over and get the back side. Thank you.
Doesn't it smell good, Leah?
You like it, Leah?
It's making me hungry.
And we're gonna just put them in here for about 20 minutes.
Awesome. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Remove from oven and let rest for 10 minutes. Okay, guess what time it is? Time to make our guacamole.
Guacamole time.
Are you all ready? Today we are making a double batch, so we are doubling everything in the recipe. The recipe calls for 4 medium avocados, juice of 2 limes, and 4 teaspoons of Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning. If the kids approve, fold in optional ingredients and enjoy. We like cilantro and garlic. We're gonna get these avocados here.
Leah, can you peel this off the leaves and put it on the tray like this?
Yeah, we're gonna take all the leaves off the stem, okay? And I'll start slicing open our avocados. Leah, maybe you could help us scoop the avocado out. There you go.
Good job.
How about you squeeze this one in, Baldwin? Here.
Push it in, BJ.
There you go. And then we'll get some lime juice.
I want to squeeze.
You can squeeze some more. This smells so good. I can't
Oh,
wait.
man.
Okay, now Baldwin and Leah, here's a spoon. You all can help us mash it. Mash avocados with lime juice and Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning Shaker. This looks so yummy. There we go. And it's almost time for our favorite addition, right? Give us a little
You
shake,
first.
shake. Okay,
Shake it up.
excellent. Can we get in there? There we go.
All right.
My turn.
Here we go, Leah. Shake it.
Oh.
Perfect.
Good job, Leah.
Do you think our chicken's ready, Leah?
All right.
Daddy, here you
That
go.
looks good.
Check it out.
We're gonna see if this chicken's done.
Daddy's gonna check out, whoops, gonna
it
check out
is.
our chicken here.
Oh yeah. Now we just have to shred it up.
Once cooled, shred chicken using 2 forks or hand beaters. Serve alongside taco shells, creamy ranch guacamole, and fixings of your choosing.
I think we got enough to make a couple tacos right now.
Okay.
We're
With
gonna
the Hidden
shred.
Valley Ranch seasoning
Oh,
on the
BJ.
chicken. Oh.
Can't eat this
Is it
taco.
good? We're gonna wait till we get our ranch chicken in there, okay?
This will be yours.
Baldwin's already eaten part of his
Thank
taco.
you, BJ.
All right, I'm gonna put a little chicken
All right, Leah.
here.
What would you like on your tacos, honey? Would you like a little bit of cheese? A little
Want
bit
some
of
guac on your taco?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right.
Put a little salsa on
Just a little bit
top.
of salsa.
Wow. To add a little spicy flavor, add Hidden Valley Ranch secret sauce. If that is not a champion looking taco,
I can eat that.
I don't know what it is.
This bad
Get
boy.
yourself some guac. I'm gonna give me a
Ooh,
little
boy.
taste. While Daddy does all the work. Thanks, Daddy.
It's tough.
I'll give you some of that good Hidden Valley Ranch guac. I mean, it really does make everything taste a lot
love it.
better. I mean, I almost want to put it on everything I eat. This is actually making me want to cook more.
Love to hear it. Leah,
Including
do you
the
like
time.
mommy's cooking? Great. Well, looks like we have a new chef. Hidden Valley Ranch
Almost.
wants
I
to
said
make my
almost
wife
making me
cook.
want to cook. Cooking can be or feel like a major chore, but with Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, it's something I can do to delight my kids.
No
I
more
need to
cooking
get
for me.
a full supply. Can you give me a year's supply of the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning?
Yes.
That's
yes.
the only way I can make this happen.
No question.
Yeah, you love those, don't you?
Mm-hmm.